Welcome. In this short video, we'll walk you through viewing existing action plans and creating a new action plan in the NC Flood Resiliency Blueprint tool. Let's get started. First, we will select the Flood Risk Management page, and the first thing you will see is your action plans. If you don't have an action plan, or if there are no action plans that you have access to, you will not see this window. But this window will show you every action plan that you have access to. To view the action plan, we can select the plan name. You can also sort through the plans you have access to by filtering by plan name, jurisdiction, county, or basin. To create a draft action plan, we will click the Create a New Draft Action Plan button in the upper right. Here we will add the plan name, description, river basin, and county or counties that the action plan applies to. You are able to create an action plan with multiple river basins or counties. Please note that there may be many plans with similar names, so it is important that you create a unique plan name that provides enough detail to distinguish your plan from other plans. After entering the basin and counties that the plan applies to, the jurisdictions will appear in red lines, counties will appear in green lines, and the river basin will be in the blue dashed lines. Any area that is an extraterritorial jurisdiction will be indicated with a hatched pattern. Once we are done entering the details of our draft action plan, we will select Create. That's it. You've just learned how to view existing action plans and create new action plans. For more help, visit youtube.com/@ncdeq.